Hi everyone, here is Andrea Angella, and in this video I'd like to talk about C#7 tuples semantic naming. In this solution I have two projects, and one of it is the my library that contains a method compute that returns a tuple of two integers, sum and product. So the method calculates the sum and the product of a set of numbers that you provide to it. The console application is referencing the library and is calling the method and actually printing the sum and the product. So if I run it, you can see sum is 10 and product is 24. All right, so what the compiler generates under the covers? So this is the first answer we want to answer. So let's switch back to .pic. That is a tool at the compilers that allows us to see the actual code that the compilers generates under the covers. And you can see that the compiler used the value tuple type under the covers, and basically using item 1 and item 2 to access the members of the tuple. So the sum and product basically has gone. They are not in the compilation, in the compiler's bits. So how the compiler knows about sum and products? So the magic is in the attribute tuple element names that automatically the compilers add to every method that return tuples. And this attribute basically provides the name of the members of the tuple, sum and product. So this allows the IntelliSense to provide a list of members and the compiler actually to compile your program. So this is very important to understand, because when you use tuples, the names of the members is just syntactic sugar. It doesn't exist at runtime. And to prove that, I'm going to change this to dynamic. So the resolution of sum and product now is going to happen at runtime. If I run this program, you will see that it's going to fail. And it's going to fail for the reason that sum is not part of value tuple of int. And that's actually expected. But this is very important to understand. So this is it. So think carefully before using tuples in public APIs that you distribute across the internet or you publish on NuGet, because despite the users will still be able to use the names that you've given to the tuples that you return, there might be a situation where if the name resolution happens at runtimes, they won't be able to use your library. So it's always a good idea not to use tuples in public APIs. However, if you have a private project, like in this case, this is only used inside a solution, it might be still possible to use tuples, and probably there might be scenarios where this is possible. So, and this is it.